A person's simple nature is not their weakness. There is nothing simpler in the world than water, but its power has the power to defeat everything. Lord Krishna.